Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to archive emails in Gmail. If you archive messages and can't find them in your inbox, we will walk you through how to access your archived emails quickly and easily. Let's get started. On your Gmail dashboard, if you want to archive an email, let's go ahead and select this one. Let's move it to the archive. As you can see, our inbox is now empty because we archived that email. Now, to find our archived emails, we need to click More on the left side of the screen, then click All Mail. Here we can see all the emails, including the ones we archived. Now, if you notice, there are a lot of messages here. We can tell which emails have been archived because they do not have the inbox label on them. The ones that still show the inbox label are still in the inbox. Once we move an email to the archive, the inbox label is removed. As you can see, the label has been removed from that email. It is easy to spot archived emails because Gmail does not have a separate archive folder. Instead, archived emails are stored in All Mail. Gmail removed the dedicated archive folder from the sidebar, so there is no specific folder for archives. Everything is grouped together under All Mail. And that's it. We have successfully found the archived emails in Gmail. Now we can view, reply to, or move them back to the inbox whenever needed.